to fill them up with, so
Okay.
we won't hear it.
You have the mama?
Thank
I'll put
you.
it in a cup.
Okay.
So let's do this. He's not talking now, he's upstairs.
Okay, so yeah, just to clarify, you said no one was drilling up there, right? No one was drilling?
We hear the same thing, it's
Okay.
just the vent.
Oh,
an
it's just
old
the vent.
building.
Okay.
It's very old building.
What is
Okay.
it, the vent?
It's just the vent.
Yeah.
All
The
right.
vent system?
Yeah,
It's just the
that's
vent.
what is making so much noise.
Okay.
All right.
Please, guys, please try to calm down.
Yeah, well, I'm calm.
Thank you.
It's just the vent, eh?
Well, it may well be.
Oh, shh. I wanted them to say that, so now I have evidence. I'm gonna tweet it, and I caught them in a lie.
Don't accuse me of not standing by you. I went back to the office and I talked with them, did I not?
You talked with them wrong, Al. You didn't talk with them as they were your enemy, because they're my enemy.
I talked with them this way. I
And that's
explained.
and that got you loxapine. That got you a schizophrenia medication.
No, it got me a drug that is also used for depression tonight.
Okay.
Okay? It isn't just used for schizophrenia, it's used for other things too.
All right.
Sometimes it's good for a night's sleep.